Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna build this arts and crafts cart, or you can use it as a bar, you can use it for plants. It's a little cart that I got at Michael's for $30. $30, and it's so easy to assemble. We're gonna take out everything first. So if you want to pick it up at Michael's and build it with me, just get all your tools together, get a drink, and let's begin, guys. So right now I'm taking everything out of the packaging, separating everything, getting organized so we can assemble it really easy. And right now I'm showing you these parts of the cart that hold all your stuff together. It comes with the wheels, it comes with everything you need in this box. So the instruction manual is pretty easy. It goes step by step and it shows you what you have inside this box. So first we're gonna get these handle looking things. These go on the bottom of the cart and they actually hold the wheels together. But the first step just mainly says to join them together, and we're gonna put screws on top and we're gonna put one of the baskets and screw it on. But I'm getting ahead of myself, you guys, so I get these two little handles ready. And oh my god, did I just scratch my butt? So I was having trouble finding the screws, but they were literally in front of my face, hidden. But yeah, once you find the screws, just find the right ones, and we're gonna screw them on, and we're gonna go from there, you guys. So just read the instructions, they're pretty easy to follow. So the screws have a shorter side and a longer side, and you want to screw in the shorter side first, and then you're going to save the longer piece of the screw and screw in the basket that's going to go on the cart. So yeah, do this for all four sides, you guys. Okay, here I'm grabbing one of the baskets and I'm gonna place it on top of the screws, adjust it, make it fit, and pretty much you're gonna put one basket and then you're gonna screw on the legs with the screws, and you put another basket on top, put more screws, put another basket on top. You're gonna repeat this 3 times. Like here I'm showing you, I grab one of the legs and pretty much I just screw it really hard, and that's about it. It's so easy, so self-explanatory. Like, this video is so long, but that's pretty much it. This cart, all you have to do is find the bottom part, those 2 little handle looking things where the wheels are gonna go, put a basket, put screws, put the poles, put another basket, put more screws, put another basket, and yeah, so as y'all can see, it's pretty easy. But yeah, just watch me. I pretty much told you what to do. Moving on to pretty much the last part, we're putting on the wheels, and you want to look for this exact tool that I just showed you guys. And we're gonna flip the cart. It's easier this way, and just go ahead and screw the wheels just like I'm doing. It's pretty easy. And with the little tool, you're gonna make sure and tighten the wheels and make them secure. That's what the little tool is for that I showed you guys. But pretty much you screw the wheel. Take your time, you guys. You don't want your little cart to fall apart. So you guys, I am done. And guess what? I just had to buy this attachment that goes with it. This cart has a lot of attachment, but this is a countertop. This little piece of wood turns the cart into a table, and oh my god, it's perfect for my plants. So you guys, it's easy to assemble. You pretty much just place it on top there and it's a table. Voila! Oh my god, I was so happy with the finished product, and now I can put my plants, my cleaning supplies, my leca. But you guys, please subscribe if you want more videos. I have other videos from IKEA if you want to watch those. See you later.